This is Cody with Environmental Works doing a post-work scope at 2055 Southeast 112th, Portland, Oregon. We got a 4-inch clean out in the backyard, right off the corner of the porch. We got water in the clean out. I'll drop my camera down to the bottom of the clean out, zero it back out, and then we'll push all the way to the main. We'll turn the water off, let it drain, and then pull back and see what we got. Just in 4-inch ABS right here. Right here is where the offset was, and I made my repair. Just a small 1-foot section. Okay, right here at 34 feet, we're going to transition from our ABS, or I believe it might be HDPE, to 6-inch 30-34. Okay, approximately 41 feet is the connection to the city main. I'm going to shut the water off and we'll let it drain out, and then I'll pull the camera back. Okay, it seems like most of the water stopped flowing. I'm going to pull all the way back. Once again, this is where I made my repair. Much better than before. Or no, it was right here, this section to this section. Okay, back to the clean out. Sewer looks like functioning just fine. I'd say it passes. That'll conclude the inspection.